I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an application question on Circle. A rock dropped into a pond sends out a circular ripple whose radius increases steadily at 6 centimeters per second. A toy boat is floating on the pond 2 meters east and 1 meter north of the spot where the rock is dropped. How long does it take for the ripple to reach the boat? So the situation is kind of like this. Let's sketch a coordinate plane, and we are saying that a toy boat is floating on the pond 2 meters east, 1 meter north. Let's say this is 1, this is 2. 2 meter east, 1 meter north. So that could be the location. And now when we say that there's a ripple, let's say this is the stone, right? So the ripple could be kind of like this, circular waves which goes through, right? Correct. Kind of like this going through. The question is, when does it reach the boat? How do you find it? So we have the point location, which for us is 2 meters east. That means the x value is 2, right? And the y value in this case is north 1, right? So let us say this is north for us, and this is east for us. So the coordinate points are 2 and 1. With these coordinate points, we can find the distance from the origin. Origin is at 0, 0, correct? So using distance formula, we say distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is square root of x2 is 2, right? 2 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square, which is equals to square root of 4 plus 1, that is square root of 5. So that is the distance, and that distance is in meters. Now we are given that the rock dropped into the pond sends out a circular ripple whose radius increases steadily at 6 centimeters per second, right? So the speed is how much? For the ripple to reach 6 centimeters per second. What do we have? We have a distance of square root 5 meters. So we can multiply this and bring it to centimeters, and we can write this as 100 times this much. So 100 times square root 5 centimeters, correct? So the time is what? Time is equals to distance divided by speed. Distance is 100 square root 5 divided by speed, and this is in centimeters, divided by 6 centimeters per second. That gives you the answer, right? So let's use calculator. So we have 100 times square root of 5. Find this, divided by 6, and that gives you 37.267, and that is in seconds, correct? So it takes about approximately, you can say, 37 seconds to reach the toy boat, right? So this is the answer for us, and that is how you should be finding this answer. I hope that makes things very clear. So find the location of the toy. Let us say the location T is 2, 1. This is in units are in meters, right? So this distance is in meters. Speed is given in centimeters per second, right? Therefore, you should convert the units for distance also in centimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Using that, we converted that into centimeters, and then when you divide distance by speed, you get time. So that is how we calculate. Thank you.